So, good morning. With this question, I will show this question through the PDF file. As I told you, the very first working note is to calculate net profit before tax. In cash flow statement, the very first activity is cash generated from operating activity. The very first thing which we have to calculate is calculation of net profit before tax. For this, I told you that from closing year, we have to subtract the previous year profit. If it is in plus, we get the value in plus. If it is in minus, we will get the value in minus. Kaise? The closing year, the value is 6,72,000. In previous year, it was 2 lakh. So there is an increase. How much? 4,20,000. So this is our surplus profit, which we write away. Means balance in a statement of profit and loss, 6,72,000 minus 2 lakh, that becomes 4,20,000. This is our balance in a statement of profit and loss. Second, I told you, these 4 items are given. You have to just select and write. Dividend paid, please be focused. Dividend paid during the year. That was proposed. So, we have paid 1,80,000. Interim dividend paid again during the year. It is given in the question, you see. Transfer to debenture redemption reserve. We can say it DRR. Debenture redemption reserve. Any reserve. General reserve, debenture redemption reserve. So this amount is given 2 lakh. Then provision for tax made during the year. Here it is provision, not tax paid. In dividend, that was dividend paid, interim dividend paid. But for tax, provision for tax made. That is 2 lakh. Now this and this. These 4 amounts, we get the total. It becomes 7,24,000. With this surplus profit plus this, we got 11,96,000. And this is net profit before tax. You may be having a question in your mind, sir, there was no refund of income tax. It is not given in the question, so we don't write. In exam, he can give you all these items, or he can give you only 1 or 2 in board exam. So, and sometimes he can give you a question for 2 marks, all this statement. So please do, you have to take care to write it, and please learn it. The format, if you have learned, all items are given, you see in the question, you have to just write them, get the total, that's all. It's a very simple procedure, but you have to take care of the format and whatever we have to take in this particular calculations. Thank you. God bless you, my dears. Please do write. Thank you.